Okay, gentlemen, I have zero room right here in my engine bay between my Z3M radiator and my engine. So my water pump is basically just not going to fit a regular fan like I'd hoped to run, like a clutch fan, which pretty much forces me into E-fan territory. This is a Spall thin pusher fan, not affiliated with Spall at all, but it's a good fan, recommended well. And then I chose to mount it with these Condor Z3M stainless brackets that are specifically meant for this radiator and this fan. So these I'll link to in the description, but I've seen a couple of different variations of just E-fan brackets, and these are the ones that I knew would fit because they're meant for this chassis and for this chassis radiator and for this actual fan. So they're a little shorter than the standard ones. You can get these in standard or Z3. They look to be probably like maybe even a plasma. The surface is a little rough. Yeah, they might be plasma cut, but super great fit, man. All we're gonna do is use some fasteners, bolt it onto the fan, and then bolt it onto the radiator. Okay, here we go. We're gonna want this facing downward. So we're gonna go upward with these two. All right, look at that. That looks really good, like really good, like impressively good. You guys can see them there. It is still super tight in there. Like it's probably gonna touch, but as good as it's gonna get right now. I'm very happy with those. They're very clean. Okay, cool. That was easy. Well, that's a good little project. I know you guys are waiting to see all the rest of the stuff peeking around here, and those videos are coming, I promise. But for now, just a quick little fan video. It's nice to have brackets like these just to make this install real quick. It's not like it's the only way to do it, but it's actually a super clean way, and it, you know, fits first time. So depending on how much your time is worth to you, this might be a good option. I definitely appreciated how simple and straightforward it was, as opposed to me building my own brackets. But some of you guys might really like to settle and do something custom, which is very cool. But anyway, to find these brackets, check the link in the description for Condor Speed Shop. They make a whole bunch of other E30 stuff too. And all this stuff is coming, guys. Promise, promise, promise. Peace out. There goes a sight from my soul.